Hi, this is Sharon, Customer Success Manager at my web audit. In this video, we will cover running a competitive analysis in just a few minutes. Our app includes numerous types of audits based on your agency's needs. It combines the power of automated tests and manual audit points in some of our audit reports. Others are fully automated. You can run most audits and reports from our app or our Google Chrome extension. Both offer a very similar user experience. We highly recommend using our Chrome extension by default to run your audits and reports. Once the audit is completed, our application will create a comprehensive list of actionable recommendations that your lead or customer can implement on their site to rank higher, get more traffic, and generate more leads or sales. To run a website competitive analysis in-app, click the New Audit button on the Audit dashboard, or you can use our Chrome extension. In this video, I will be using the Chrome extension to run the audit. Before you begin, please ensure you have our Google Chrome extension installed from here. Once installed, you can launch it from the Chrome extension menu. We recommend pinning our extension. To run a competitive analysis using our Chrome extension, launch the extension, log in if needed, and click on the Run Audit button to begin. A screen with all available reports will appear. Some of our audits, like competitive analysis, use both automated tests and manual audit points. The automated audit points automatically begin running in the background before you get to the manual assessment. We suggest spending an extra 3 to 5 minutes on the manual assessment. It will add to the report's value, help you differentiate yourself from competitors, and increase your chances of closing the sale. Here is why. It usually converts better. The report has a wow factor and appreciation since our comprehensive reports look great. Our prospects or customers are often very impressed and assume we've invested hours in analysis and creating the audit report. Next, choose competitive analysis. Add a new company or organization. Enter the company name for which you would like to perform the audit. We've integrated with the Google Business Profile API, so we pull related information for the company you've typed in whenever possible. If you can find the company, then click on the Select button. Otherwise, click on the Enter It Manually button. For example, I'm searching for Hellinkson Homes. As you can see, the Google API does not return it, so I will click the Enter It Manually button. Please note, if you click the Enter It Manually button, you will be asked to provide a location for the business, like a city the business is based in, that our app can use to find the company. The location helps us find the company even if the company's GBP has set the address to be hidden. We highly recommend you enter the location and click Search. Our app will then display a list of businesses in the area with similar names. If you see the company in the list, click Select. If it is not listed, click Skip and continue. Note, you will only have to do this one time. Once you run the audit, the company information will be saved in your account. This will allow you to select it from the drop-down menu the next time you want to run an audit. For the purpose of this demo, I am going to run an audit for Luxury Remodel Company. Let's enter the point of contact for the company you are auditing. Type in the contact's information and click on Next. Enter the necessary information to perform the audit. Website URL. Enter the client's business URL if it hasn't been pre-populated. Distance between grid points. Select the distance between grids. This is used to generate a map with a local search grid to show how the business ranks. Keyword or keyword phrase. Enter one or more keyword phrases for which they would ideally want to rank for. If you don't know them, pick a keyword or phrase that describes the company's product or service. Note, you can add up to 10 keywords in this section. Primary target address, usually where the company is located or is focusing its advertising towards. Include a ROI analysis. Check this to include an ROI analysis section in the audit. It helps you answer your lead or client's question. Are your services worth the investment? Once you click on Next, you will be asked to provide some information about the competitor that you would like to compare your client's or prospect's business with. Similarly to what happened with your client's or prospect's business, if our app can't find the company that you want to use as a frame of reference to the comparison, you can also enter it manually by providing a URL and a location. You get to add up to 2 competitors. This is the step where you decide whether to run the audit with just the automated points or include a manual assessment as part of the report. Including it only takes a few minutes and significantly increases the value of the report and your chance of closing the sale. If you only want to include the automated audit points, click the Finish button and wait for our app to notify you that the audit is ready. It usually takes less than 3 to 5 minutes to run the automated analysis. In this video, we will run through the manual assessment as well. To get started with the manual assessment, click Begin Manual Assessment and move on with me to the next step. Clicking on the Begin Manual Assessment button will redirect you to the website you are auditing and automatically open our extension so you can perform the manual assessment. Important note: it's critical to note that all the points you see on this screen require manual review and verification by you. You can do so by clicking the toggle button for each of the audit points. Click the left side of the toggle button to mark the audit point as failed, and the right side of the toggle button to mark the audit point as passed. A reset icon will appear once the toggle button is clicked, so if you wish to reset the status, you can click on the reset icon. If a manual audit point is not marked as passed or failed, that audit point will not be visible on the report for your client. We've provided this feature for users who run an audit, deem a specific audit point unimportant or irrelevant, and don't want it included in their report. If you wish to continue the audit later, click the Close button. Otherwise, you can click on the Run Audit button. Our application will redirect you to your dashboard. Note: the audit will not be emailed to anyone during this step. Once the audit is complete, you can view, download, or email the audit report. Your next step should be to review the audit results and use one of our done-for-you email templates to connect with your lead or customer to schedule a time to present the report. If you have any questions, please check out our help guides at help.myweboudit.com or email us at support@myweboudit.com.